Alright, so another manufacturing process is machining. What does it do? It's mainly for refining into desired shapes or forms. And the uses are pretty much just that. The shapes is really it's like rounded, mostly rounded shapes, like a lot of circles. Oops, that's not how you spell that. Materials, pretty much any material, anything you need in into a desired shape or form. And needs would be like machines, like CNC machines or like drill presses, drill bits, and obviously the materials. So the cost can really depends on the machines, because these machines can be pretty expensive, and it is time consuming because you do have to use these machines, and there are various processes for getting the whole thing into one form.